today is not one of those exciting videos. For me, it's a little bit emotional because yes, you read that title right. How I ended up losing over $400,000 in assets in less than 60 days. So yeah, let's roll the intro and let's get into it.
If I said it, I meant it. I own my shit, I ain't renting. I ran it on, now I'm winning. I live this life that I'm living. 10 toes down for my come up, no handouts I was giving. I made it out of the country, now I'm posted up in the city. Yeah, that's just what it is. I'm ready to do me a drill.
So, man, my name is Caleb. I'm a Forex trader. Claim to be a Forex trader, but I want to talk to you guys today about a funded account. I lost a funded account. Me personally, I also run a hedge fund as well, which is how I had all these assets under management. With inside of these funded trading challenges, and man, it sucks. Right? It sucks because I worked so hard just to get to where I'm at, and today, actually, May 17th was supposed to be my payout day. So within 30 days of getting my funded account, just like most statistics, I just became a statistic today. Sadly, I lost my funded account before my first payout. Right? It's not because I can't trade or anything like that. I'm actually gonna show you guys my back office to my funded accounts. I'm gonna show you guys phase one, phase two, and the phase that I failed. And what you guys will see is that there's a lot of consistency, right? If you look behind me, you'll see this side. You'll see that I have a sign on the wall that says consistency, right? Keep going and see what happens. Well, even though this is a sad moment, you know, I ain't gonna say a sad moment. It's a learning moment inside of my trading career. I also want to tell you guys that, man, I see a lot of traders that they fail a funding challenge, right? And now they're not able to start another one for the next 2 or 3 months because they have to go up. They have to go out and save money. I want to let you guys know, hey, if you just look below, you'll see my email. Send me an email. Starting a hedge fund, an incubator hedge fund. I have a video of it. I'll drop the link to it below. Is one of the best ways that you can actually scale your trading, right? Because what happens is you have these investors that have put money inside of this pool that you now can pull from and go do these trading accounts, right? I'll drop a link below. Shoot me an email if you want to connect about that. I would love to give you more information. So let's jump into the charts. So first off, you'll see this monster trade, GBP JPY. Man, this was a monster trade. Honestly, I should have stopped my day after this right here. I should have just stopped my day after this. This trade right now is currently up about 200 or so pips. And I was in this trade actually in my account, which you guys will see here in just a second. So let's log into the back office here. So top tier is who I use to do my trading funded account challenges. This was my first one ever, first time ever attempting it. And this is amazing, right? Ignore the fail status at the top. I don't know what happened. We'll look at everything. None of the rules were broken. Nothing was breached. Even talked to support about it. It was something that was messed up on their end. So what you'll see, this is my phase one. All right, phase one account. We were required to make 10% on $100,000. That's $10,000 within a matter of 30 days. With a minimum trading days of 7. Total max loss is 10,000. That means you can't lose more than 10,000. And your profit target was 10,000. So in this account, you will see, and especially if we look at my chart here, you'll see that when I started this account, I started up going a little bit in profit, getting my feet wet the first few trades, a little nervous before I took a hard dip over the next 4 or 5 trades that I took. All right. And then from there, I kind of got back on my foot, regrouped, stuck to my analysis. And from there, you'll see that it was a consistent uptrend. All right. Whole entire time. I do have a lot of trades. That's because I scalp. Now I scalp a lot of US 30. I do scalp gold, but a lot of times I'm in these trades, I'm in and out of these trades. But what you'll see is that the consistent uptrend on this one. All right. Win rate 75%, only lost 25% of the time. And if you look over here at the projections, and these are pretty good projections. The only thing that I am about to start working on right now is this average risk to reward ratio, right? If you see right here that my average loss is roughly about $700 with my average winning only being about 402, right? You really can't see because we got the we got the admin chart right here, but it is all good. But guys, just want to let you know, yo, this thing is awesome. All right, trading this way is awesome. All right, next phase 2. Let's see what happened. All right, phase 2, it didn't take long at all. I believe I hit it in 7 days. Yeah, I hit it in 7 days, and this win rate was completely insane. Right, 85% win rate, only a 15% loss. This one really couldn't. My average risk to reward on this one, it really couldn't be calculated because I didn't have enough trades. Right, I only took 26 trades. And I only took 26 trades, and to get accurate numbers, you usually want to look at anywhere from 50 to 100. Right, you need some data, right? Because you actually can take 26 trades in a day, right? So it's really not a lot of trades, all right, especially when you're scalping. So this phase was past 7 days. Like I say, excellent win rate. Same thing right here, consistency. Came in, placed a few trades just to get my feet wet, to get my payout date, secured with a little profit. And then from there, same thing that happened in the last account, just took a little dip. All right, a little dip, lost the trade up front. From there, got back on my feet, consistency. And then guess what? Another little dip. Then guess what? Consistency. And then finally, small pullback for a major comeback, right? $5,000. We hit our target goal, and boom, we were upgraded to a funded account. Let's go, 6-figure account. Your boy was so excited about this. All right, so now we go to the actual funded account, the actual live account, the actual account that was gonna make your boy some funds. All right, and I want you guys to learn from my mistakes as I'm showing you guys this. Like, I started off this thing strong, right? And you have to keep in mind that this is my first time having access to 6 figures as a 6-figure investor. What happens is I take a little dip, right? That's normal, right? We kind of see a pattern here. Trade a little bit, consistency, take a little dip, and then pull yourself back up, keep on going. Well, what happens here is about 9 trades in, I took a little dip right underneath 100,000. And then I took a major peak up to 5%, right? I hit $105,000, right? And at this point, 17 days in, my payout date is on the 17th. Today is the 17th. 17 trades in, I was up $5,000. At that point, I should have stopped the challenge. I should have stopped trading this challenge and started a new challenge, but emotions got involved. I said, hey, this was the first week. So going up the first week, and this is a mistake that I see a lot of traders make too. And I just made it as well. Right? I didn't try to, but I made it. All right. It said, hey, that euphoric feeling, right, that you get, that high that you get from being successful, that adrenaline rush that you get from winning trades, that hit me, right? Too excited. And as you guys see, 18, 19, 20, 21, like all of these trades just started losing. All right. All of these trades just started losing. All right. But what I want to show you guys is something that's majorly important when you're trading these funded accounts. One of the rules that I broke a few times in this challenge here was that I allowed my daily max loss to go over 2.5%. If you do that, I'm telling you right now, it's going to be hard to pass the challenge. It's going to be hard to get funded. It's going to be really, really hard if you constantly allow your account to go over 2.5% max daily loss, right? So as you guys see here, you'll see a few trades like this one here at the top, this first one. This is 3%, right? This is 3% in one trade. All right, US 30 clearly here, half a standard. This is really not a big move to just be able to lose $3,000, but I lost it. All right, same thing here. A few days after this, look, this is May 4th. Boom, another huge loss. This one trade was right at 2.5% loss. Right? And if you guys see like these losses here, these $1,000 losses, man, when you're having these funded accounts, you just can't afford to do this, right? You can't afford to have those big losses like that. $3,000 losses, $2,400 losses, right? A $1,300 loss right there. All right, even though these are indexes and they move fast. One of the things about scalping is, man, when it's going good, it's great, but when it's going bad, it's going bad because you're in and out of the market so quick. And what happens is my emotions got attached to it. All right, I'm not gonna lie to you, I got emotional. All right, we go to the first account that I traded. Get this bad boy low here. Go to the first account that I traded. Let's see if we can refresh this. What we'll see is this one what is this one? The first one? Yeah, this is the first one. All right, so what we'll see here, even on this one, all right, we'll go to account status or account history and look at some of the trades that were taken. All right, oh, you can't even go back and see these trades. So, man, I didn't have too many big losses on those. Like I said, my average loss on those wasn't really that big, right? On these, you see the spike down. Let me see. First one, this one was about this was a few different trades right there, but you see a few spikes down. I didn't have too many big losses because like I said, my win rate was so well that even though when I lost, I was winning 8 times to only losing twice, right? So if you're winning $400 every trade, 8 times and then 2 times you lose, you're pretty profitable, right? If you look at my stats over here, this is a profitable strategy. So you say, hey, Caleb, how did you fail the challenge? What happened? Yeah, I got emotional. Just the reality of it is I got emotional. I hit a high right here, hit a high, should have stopped, should have ended it, should have took my payout just to secure some commas and then continue on out because the payout day is going to come regardless. So today, what I want to share with you all, listen, take the payout. All right. If you have a consistent strategy and you're profitable, then go do a funded challenge because it gives you the opportunity to trade with capital that you otherwise wouldn't have, right? You have leverage, right? If you don't have a profitable strategy yet, in the comments, let me know, reach out to me. I want to help you because what I'm putting together is a C3 course, right? Over the course of the next few months, I'm going to be getting ready to release this as well as a 12-week coaching program. What this is going to do is it's going to help traders, specifically male traders, right? I want to work with male traders. What this is going to do is specifically help you increase your confidence, increase your consistency, and increase your capital. I'm going to teach you what I did to raise over $20,000 in less than 30 days. And I'm going to show you how I actually had this $400,000 worth of funded accounts inside of my hedge fund that I had traders trading. Like I said, unfortunately, by the title of this video, you already know now we lost out, man. And it's a hard feeling because you say, man, that's almost $500,000, right? But it is. It's almost $500,000 of funded account challenges lost, and it sucks. But at the end of the day, as a trader, this is the lifestyle that you chose. This is something that you see working for you, that you have faith in. So let me tell you this, don't let anybody stop you. If you know it's gonna work, keep on going. You don't have to question this thing if it's gonna work. You just have to question if you're gonna work. So peace out. I'm gonna see you guys. I don't know where I'm gonna see you guys.
If I said it, I meant it. I own my shit, I ain't renting. I ran it on, now I'm winning. I live this life that I'm living. 10 toes down for my come up. No handouts I was giving. I made it out of the country, and I'm posted up in the city.